was lucky enough to get to spend a lot of time with Jodie and her big brother Jamie when they were small. And I hope they look back on those days as fondly as I do.
Most of you probably don't know, but I like to take all the credit for these two being together. You know, married with 3 beautiful children and also broke. Darren is a true gentleman, an incredible father, and will now be an amazing husband to Jodie. Speaking of Jodie, I've known her for a good while now, and from the moment we connected, we instantly, well, connected.
Jodie, you are my soul sister, my rock, my sister from another mister. I am so happy for you, but gutted that I'm officially the third wheel in this relationship instead of as.
You are my soulmate, my best friend. You are my everything. I love you now, always, and forever.